Oh. Maddie! Maddie!
Daddy's getting wet.
Why didn't you wear snow pants?
Put my pants on.
Hi! Smile! Huh? one more. Come on, one more.
What's that?
Make him face me. Ready? Hi, Maddie.
Yeah.
He seems to like it. Matthew. Hi. Matthew. Whoa. He likes the snow. I hope his face doesn't get slumped on the snow. Matthew, look here. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Ay. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Are you rolling video?
Yes.
Here's the snow, Matthew. Here's the snow. Look at the snow.
He just wants to walk.
What is this stuff? Huh? What is this stuff? Let's go for another ride. Let's go for a ride.
Ay. Pull his jacket down so his tummy is covered.
Just don't get right in front because it'll knock you over on top of it.
Well, I thought you were going to stop. Okay. I was hoping you'd stop right in front of me. Make sure you hold him.
What's his face doing? What is he doing? Huh?
He's happy. He likes it.
Is that fun? Huh? Huh?
You know what? I think he wants to touch it. See? He's like, what is this?
It's all new sensations. You know? All new.
You like it? He said, nah. Hi. Where is Matthew's tongue? Where is Matthew's tongue? Where is Matthew's tongue? He doesn't care.
Okay, look. You go up there with him now and go down.
Oh.
Huh?
I'll just...
You have to lean back. You have to lean back, okay?
Get him.
Just like I did. Okay, Matt. Come on. Let's go down with mommy. Go down with mommy. Come on. Just go halfway up the hill. You don't need to go to the top.
This is gonna run out of battery already.
Which one do I press? The one on the right?
I know it's still going on. I mean, it's still going.
If you don't want to go to the top, just start halfway, you know?
How do I stop?
Put one foot on each side.
I think I'm gonna try it alone.